Thalapathy Vijay's motivational sayings on life. Ignore the negativity and move on with your life. Those who are barking will get tired at one point of time. Two things will define you. One is your determination when you have nothing, and your attitude when you have everything. The best way to handle the negativity around you is by ignoring. Behind my success there's a lot of unsuccessful years. Life is a football game. We try to score goals and there are a huge number of people to stop them. Sometimes, some of our guys put same side goals. People say, behind every successful man there is a woman, but behind my success, there were a lot of insults and embarrassments, nothing to hide, you all knew it. Some people shouldn't like us, then only our life will be interesting and enthusiastic. When someone doesn't like you, just look at them and smile. A boss says go. A leader says let's go. Inspiration is not from appearance or money. It is from each one's heart. If the world starts to celebrate your birthday 2 weeks before, you are a leader. When people throw stones at you, place them under your feet and use them as stepping stones. Those who believe themselves see roses everywhere, not the thorns. As you eat fruit and spit out the seed, surround positive people and kick out negative people. Some people want to see you fail, give them heartbreak. We should learn to keep the right person in the right position. The first thing I want to change if I become the CM is corruption. Sometimes, if we have to stay true, we have to be silent. Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. Be yourself and show your own achievements to the world. Life is boring without challenges. Fly above the negativity. Stay patient and trust your journey. If anything happened to you, first think that it is a right or a wrong and then react. Don't just explore, because some people tend to hurt.